Do you know that IT industry is projected to grow by 11% in the next decade? Now imagine yourself being part of this exciting future at CGC Jhanjeri, a NAC A+ accredited institute. We don't just talk about excellence, we live it, with our highest package reaching an impressive 45.5 LPA. Our B.Sc IT program is your ticket to an exciting tech career. Whether you want to be an IT consultant, web developer, systems analyst, network administrator, or explore other tech roles, we have got you covered. Think about it. Our alumni are thriving at top companies like Wipro, Dell, Deloitte, Microsoft, and many more. These aren't just places to work, they are platforms where you can innovate and make a real impact. At CGC Jhanjeri, we blend theory with practice. Our interactive sessions and hands-on projects ensure that you are ready for the job market from day one. We are dedicated to your success. Our graduates don't just dream big, they achieve big, and you can too. With the industry booming, there's never been a better time to be in IT. So join CGC Jhanjeri crew and set sail on your IT adventure. We are all about turning your tech dreams into careers and shaping you into a leader. CGC Jhanjeri, building careers, transforming lives.